This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chansey. This home has an excellent floor plan with 4 bedrooms, and also a den office. 3 full bathrooms. The front bedroom with its own bathroom makes for a great private suite for guests. The large primary suite is at the rear of home away from the other bedrooms for privacy. The bathroom has double sinks, separate garden tub and shower. The spacious foyer greets you with oval stained glass style front door. The large granite eat-in kitchen also has a breakfast bar and 42 cabinets, and a large pantry. The inside utility room is steps away. The rear screen porch is trussed in. The living room is spacious, and the family room is open to the kitchen, and views of backyard and screened porch area. Great community with low HOA fees, underground utilities, sidewalks, street lighting, convenient location. For more information, review the details below.